Hey guys! In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 3 best saucepan for making candy in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Farberware 50003 Classic Stainless Steel Saucepan. Farberware 50003 saucepan is a blend of the latest technology with a stylish capsule design base. The mirror-finished stainless steel layer over thick aluminum adds glitter to gold. The core of the full cap base is thick aluminum, wrapped in stainless steel. So, the saucepan heats quite rapidly and evenly. It doesn't corrode or discolor also. Moreover, the handle is very comfortable to grip. Another noticeable point is the design and functionality of the lid, also ideal. The lid is of stainless steel and comprises a rolled bell-shaped rim. Moreover, the knob on the lid is also trendy. Most importantly, the lid fits tightly over the saucepan. Besides an excellent construction, the saucepan is 3QT and serves with a nice space to make a batch of fudge. Also, the pot and its phenolic handles are oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. By the end, don't waste your time in scrubbing the pan manually because Farberware saucepan is dishwasher safe. Just dump in the dishwasher and get ready to enjoy the creamiest and silkiest fudge. Number 2. Our second best pick is Avocraft Stainless Steel Multipurpose Saucepan. This multipurpose saucepan for making fudge or soft candy is a nice addition to the list. It is made up of tri-ply stainless steel capsule bottom with pure aluminum. As a result, the saucepan heats the mixture of condensed milk and chocolate evenly. However, you can also boil pasta, rice, and vegetables in this 1.5 QT pot. The exterior of Avocraft saucepan features a mirror finish look while the interior is a matte finish. Moreover, the inner is marked with easy-to-read measurement marks also. The saucepan includes a glass lid with straining holes and a silicone handle. Therefore straining boiled pasta is very easy, which is beyond usage other than fudge. Also, the pour spouts are available on both sides of the pan rim. The handle is made of stainless steel and ergonomic in design. It also includes a passage for airflow. That's why it's cool to touch and comfortable to grip. You can use the saucepan on all kinds of cooktops, including induction. After you pour the fudge material in the pan to set, just put the saucepan in the dishwasher. So, cleaning is a snap. To sum up, this saucepan is very durable and can last for long because it is made up of 18/10 food-grade stainless steel. This steel quality is stain, rust, corrosion, and crack resistant. Number 3. Last but not the least, our third best pick is Ecolution Artistry Non-Stick Dishwasher Safe Saucepan. It is another top-notch dishwasher safe saucepan proudly offered by Ecolution. Ecolution Artistry Non-Stick Pan is made up of heavy-gauge aluminum with a grooved base. So the pan heats evenly. Most importantly, the inner is coated with a water-based coating. This coating is the ecologically advanced form of non-stick. With a non-stick inner, the food doesn't need oil to cook food. Also, dense candy doesn't stick at the same time. Besides a healthier way to cook fudge at home, the non-stick plays an important role in serving with easy cleanup. That is because it releases food effortlessly and leaves no hard residues to clean. Also, the saucepan is dishwasher safe. The riveted silicone handle stays cool to touch. It serves a tighter, secure, and comfortable grip ensuring safety. Besides this, the saucepan comes with a beautiful-looking steam-vented glass lid, although the lid is not required during the fudge making process. In short, each feature of this 2QT pot is durable and easy to use. Meanwhile, the performance, efficiency, and productivity are appealing hallmarks. So, don't miss the chance to grab the product because it's very hot in demand. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.